What if I told you that, beyond comfort, there's something even more powerful hidden in your outfit choices? Something we don't talk about enough: peace of mind. Peace of mind when you reach for the top shelf in the grocery aisle and no longer tug at your blouse, wondering if someone will catch a glimpse of that part you've spent years trying to hide. Peace of mind when you sit down at a dinner party without instinctively grabbing a cardigan to shield that soft roll on your tummy. Peace of mind when you step into a fitting room and no longer whisper, "Maybe next year," as you hang up that dress you hoped would finally make you feel put together. Tell me, does this sound like you? If it does, I want you to pause and take a deep breath. Because despite what you see in the mirror when you're alone, you can stand tall and say, "I'm here, this is me, and I deserve peace of mind." Now, what I love most about this midsection styling series is that it isn't about hiding your tummy, it's about helping you celebrate yourself exactly as you are today. Not tomorrow, not someday. Maybe your stomach has become a silent obsession. Maybe you hear that little voice telling you to suck it in for photos or whispering, "Just lose 10 pounds and then you'll finally feel great." But what if that silent obsession could transform into quiet confidence, into gentle acceptance, into a joyful reminder that you are so much more than a measurement or a number on a scale? Today, I want to help you style that beautiful tummy at every height, in a way that gives you not just comfort, but true peace of mind. Now, before we jump straight into the video, I want to give a special shout out to all of you who shared your comments. Thank you for opening up, for sharing your thoughts and stories so honestly. You inspired this video. Truly, this one's for you. Are you ready to dress not just for the world, but for your soul? Give it a like if you're with me, and let's begin. So ladies, here's the heart of this section. Comfort gets you through the day, but peace of mind? That lets you own the day. There's such a big difference between comfort and peace of mind, and today we're going to unpack that together, using these outfits as our little style story. Let's start simple. Picture those cozy sweatpants and a soft tee. You know, that outfit we all reach for when we want to feel safe and comfy. That's comfort. It's soft, it's easy, and it gets you through your errands or a lazy afternoon on the couch. But here's the thing. Even in the most comfortable clothes, we sometimes catch ourselves tugging at the hem, checking the mirror, wondering, do I look okay? Do I look put together enough? That's where peace of mind comes in. See what happens when you add a beautiful pair of earrings or swipe on a bold lipstick? Suddenly, you stand a little taller. You feel that extra spark. You walk into the room with a smile that says, "Yes, I'm here, and I feel good about it." Peace of mind is that quiet inner confidence. It's knowing you look as good as you feel, without second-guessing yourself. Then, we take it a step further. Maybe you add a fun bag or matching bold shoes. Now you're stepping into personal style. This is where you start telling the world who you are without saying a word. You're not just wearing clothes, you're styling. You feel intentional, expressive, and completely yourself. That's when you start to own the day. And finally, the grand finale, total style freedom. Imagine a colorful hat, statement earrings, a fabulous bag, maybe a scarf. You're playful, bold, and fully alive. You're not just getting through the day anymore, you're making it yours. Every piece you add is another brushstroke on your personal masterpiece. Next time you get dressed, ask yourself, am I just getting through the day, or am I owning it? And you know me, I won't stop there. I always want to give you practical ways to truly express yourself. So, let's talk about what takes an outfit from just comfy to truly elevated. There are 3 key features: structure, accessories, and color, or print. Let's break these down. We start with structure. Look at those soft gray joggers, pure comfort. But then we throw on a sharp black blazer. Instantly, the whole outfit transforms. Structure gives your body shape. It creates polish, and it tells the world you're intentional. The defined shoulders, those clean lapels, they lift everything up, even if you're wearing the most relaxed pants. Then, accessories. Oh, these are your superpower. Statement earrings, layered bracelets, chic sunglasses, a bold hat, and a beautiful bag. They're not just add-ons, they're storytellers. They take your outfit from nice to wow. Without them, something always feels unfinished. With them, you feel complete, like you've tied a beautiful ribbon on a gift. Finally, color, print, and even texture. This is where the magic happens. Look at those pops of red, a hat, a bag, sandals, or even a bright top peeking through. These colors create energy and vibrance. They highlight your best features and add life to your look. Even a single, bold element can transform your entire outfit. And this brings us to one of the biggest style movements happening this year. Athleisure meets luxe. It's all about blending comfortable, sporty pieces with luxury touches. Think joggers with a crisp blazer, or sneakers paired with a statement necklace and a beautiful handbag. This trend is perfect for mature women. Why? Because it gives you comfort without sacrificing sophistication. It feels modern and current, but never like you're trying too hard. The structure defines your shape, and the relaxed bottoms give you ease and freedom, the best of both worlds. So, what are the key basics to nail this look? A structured top or outer layer, elevated accessories, a quilted designer bag, bold sunglasses, and statement jewelry. Monochrome or tonal color stories to keep things polished. High-quality fabrics, even in casual pieces, to keep you looking refined. All right, ladies, let's have a little fun and tweak things up with this outfit. For a woman with certain insecurities, maybe you're sensitive about your arms, your midsection, or your upper back. An open vest with no sleeve coverage can feel a bit vulnerable. Even if the outfit looks cute from the outside, you might feel like all eyes are on the areas you'd rather not highlight. That's when you find yourself constantly tugging, adjusting, or checking mirrors. That's the difference between just comfort and true peace of mind. Peace of mind happens when you choose pieces that give you gentle structure and the right amount of coverage. Pieces that make you feel secure, supported, and beautifully held. It's like giving yourself a quiet, little hug. Once you have that, you're free to step into real style, playing with color, prints, and bold accessories because you feel safe and proud in your own skin. Take this first outfit. The black top perfectly matches the pants but offers a strong, sophisticated shape with its flared sleeves. That's instant structure and drama for the upper body. Then you have that bold pink bag, a statement pop of color that immediately lifts the entire look. And finally, the gold chain necklace adds that extra touch of polish and breaks up the black beautifully. In the second outfit, the pink structured bag adds a playful, chic personality. The mustard vest brings in warmth and an extra layer, creating depth without adding bulk. And that black tee underneath? It keeps you covered around the arms and bust, giving you more peace of mind. In the third outfit, the satin camisole introduces shine and a touch of luxury, making the pants feel so intentional and elevated. The lace layer adds softness, flow, and that beautiful sense of movement, creating elegance and balancing the sporty edge of the pants. Ladies, let's talk about those wonderful evening walks, that time of day when you want to feel at ease but still look put together if you bump into a neighbor or decide to grab a quick coffee on the way. In the first outfit with the green coat and blue top, the long, open coat does wonders. It adds just enough coverage to make you feel secure, especially if you're conscious about your hips or tummy. The length creates a smooth line down the body, which makes you look taller and feel more confident. This is a look that says, I'm relaxed, but I still care about myself. Now, the second outfit with the colorful kimono is such a joyful choice for an evening walk. That bright printed layer brings life and movement, almost like a little celebration with every step. The print keeps the eyes moving and doesn't let them settle on one spot, which is great if you're self-conscious about your midsection. The white tee inside keeps it fresh and light, and the hat with the colorful detail ties it all together. You look vibrant and open, and you feel it too. Why does this work so well? Because the top layers create balance with the sporty pants. They draw the eye up, add flow and shape, and keep you feeling comfortably covered without looking heavy. You still get the comfort of your favorite pants, but with that added polish and confidence boost. This is what I mean when I talk about peace of mind. You're not fussing or adjusting or worrying if your top is riding up. You're free to enjoy your walk, wave to someone across the street, and feel good inside and out. So next time you head out for an evening stroll, remember? It's not just about comfort. It's about creating that gentle confidence that lets you enjoy every moment. Now, ladies, above all else, there's the mother of it all, and that is balance. Balance is truly the secret ingredient that can either elevate an outfit beautifully or completely throw it off. It's what ties everything together and makes you feel confident and at ease. Take these 3 outfits, for example. Let's talk about coat length, something we often overlook, but that has a huge impact on our overall look and feeling of balance. When we look at these 2 green coats, notice in the second, look how the coat stops around mid-thigh or just above the knee. While long coats can be great for creating that sweeping, elongated look, where they stop is critical. When a coat or outer layer ends right at the widest part of your hips or thighs, it can unintentionally draw attention to that area and create a horizontal cut that makes us look shorter and wider than we are. Remember, wherever your coat or top ends, that's where the eye naturally stops too, and that can completely shape your whole silhouette. Balance also includes necklines. Take these 3 outfits, for example. In the first look, the neckline opens up the chest area beautifully. It draws the eye up and down, creating a long, graceful line. This is wonderful if you want to soften or balance broader shoulders, or just feel a little more length and openness through your upper body. In the second look, the neckline is higher and more closed. While this can look very chic, it can also make the neck appear shorter and draw more focus to the bust and upper chest. For some of us, that might feel a bit heavy or even slightly restrictive, especially if we're already conscious of that area. Then we have the third look, the sweetheart neckline. This one is so gentle and feminine. It softly highlights the bust without adding bulk and guides the eye upward and inward, creating a lovely curve that feels both elegant and flattering. It's one of those necklines that looks beautiful on so many women, no matter your shape. Now, you might be wondering, Rose, why do you spend so much time talking about these details? It's because I've worked with so many women who have reached a point where they feel tired, worn out, and believe it's too hard to look put together anymore. And yes, I've seen those comments, women judging other women, sometimes even here. But here's what I want you to remember. If you haven't walked in someone else's shoes, you don't truly know what they carry in their heart. You don't know their battles, their losses, or the quiet courage it took just to show up that day. We don't get to decide how another woman should look or feel. That's not our place. These videos aren't here to push you to compare yourself or fixate on every little flaw. They're here to remind you to pour your energy into the things that make you proud, in your mind, your spirit, and your creativity. That's where true confidence starts to grow. And I promise, when you begin feeling good from the inside, your relationship with your body will slowly shift too. Be gentle with yourself. Let's turn this comment section into a safe, warm circle. Share your experiences. Tell us about the small wins that helped you finally show up as yourself. And if you're not there yet, that's okay too. Tell us what's holding you back. You never know who might be reading and quietly nodding, thinking, I feel that too. You might be the encouragement someone else needs today. Ask yourself, have you been running away from yourself? Have you noticed how the world loves to make a soft tummy feel like a moral failing, as if it says something about your worth? Think about this honestly. Will you ever fully love your body? Or are you still learning to love little parts of it, piece by piece, day by day? And that, my dear, is true peace of mind. Until next time, dress not just for the world, but for your soul. You deserve it.